Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. How are you? I am Dr. AMMAR from All Medical Data, DRAM-Notes, and RAI'S series. Today, our topic to discuss is causes of lymphocytosis. Before going to the causes of the lymphocytosis, I will show you our Facebook links, and you may subscribe our links and follow us to get all the updates. We will proceed toward the topic that is causes of lymphocytosis, which may includes first of all we will discuss about tuberculosis, that is most common cause, and then is rheumatoid disease and some infections which are acute cases, which in acute cases may include chicken pox, rubella, and whooping cough, etc. And hepatitis, you always all know, and the viral infections which may include the flu and cytomegalovirus, adenovirus, and some. What is the physiological cause? Someone may ask from you. The physiological cause may be the menstruation, the menstrual cycle, and the last one is diseases of lymphatic system. And next, our main pages of our series, that is RAI'S series, All Medical Data, and DRAM-Notes. Thank you for watching, and keep watching us, and follow our channel and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.